The market trades sideways again, but after hours, things get moving. This is Invest with Jacob. So the market gapped up at the open before drifting down the rest of the day to close basically flat. Immediately after the close, they ran the futures up to 42.17, getting us close to our 42.20 target that would be a buying opportunity to the high side. We'll get into that in just 1 second, but first, if you're new here, welcome to the show, guys. My name is Jacob Gabbard. This is Invest with Jacob, and I highly encourage you to hit that subscribe button down below so that you can get our daily S&P updates, our trade setups, and our buy alerts. Okay, so the key thing that happened today was after the close. They immediately ran the futures up about 12 points and got real close to our 42.20 buying target. Should the futures follow through, that will be the path we will have to take. Now, that is my least favorite option of the ones we have on the table, but I won't argue with price. So with that, let's jump into the charts and take a look at what happened. Okay guys, so here we are on the 5-minute ES chart, and if you don't know, ES is just the symbol for S&P futures. And the reason we're looking at the futures chart is because all of the action that mattered today happened after the market closed. So you can see over here, this big red bar down is where the market closed, and then we had big green bar, and they raced it up to 42.1750 before drifting down here and sideways. Now the key will be, can they sustain this? I've seen many nights where early in the evening the bulls push it up, only to find out I wake up in the morning and the bears crashed it down. So where we open tomorrow is critical. We're looking for an open up around 42.16 to 42.20 and then a move up through 42.20 to confirm that we are actually in an ending diagonal as opposed to a wave 1-2 setup. Now, I will be honest, that is my least favorite option of the two we have on the table. I would much prefer the bears fight back here and we get a C wave down to 41.50 or 41.70, somewhere in that region, so that we have a proper wave 2 setup. As I said, ending diagonals are not my favorite thing to trade, but I'm not going to argue with price, and when price says we're going up, we have to go with it. So the open tomorrow is going to be critical. If we open higher, as it's looking like we're going to, and push up like I said, then we will have a buying opportunity. And if you want to get that buying opportunity in real time, you need to join my Facebook group. There's a link down in the description, and that will give you access to my Slack channel where I give real-time market alerts and our buying opportunities. And tomorrow it looks like we could have one. The only requirements are that you subscribe to this channel, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button, get in the Facebook group. It's all free. Get on that Slack channel, and you can be part of this buy with us. We'll all trade together and make some money. Okay, guys, so the key takeaways for tomorrow. We are going to watch the open. The open will be critical to what we do. If the bulls are able to keep it up here or even push it past, we will look for a slight pullback after the open that we can get an entry on, and then look to go long towards 43.50 with an expiration probably around the 3rd week of June. If the bulls fail and the bears crash it down, then we're still looking for a C wave down toward the 41.70 to 41.50 region. And once we hit that region, we will enter, still looking at 43.50 as our ultimate target. So that's it. The open will tell us everything. If we open higher and push through 42.20, we're buying. If we open lower, we're waiting to see if we get that C wave down. Okay, guys, it's the weekend. I will not be around today, but I will be on my phone. If there is a buy alert, I will send it out on my Slack channel. I hope you guys have a wonderful Memorial Day weekend. For those of you celebrating it, I will be camping in Washington. Happy trading. I will talk to you on Tuesday.